Hi everyone, it's now time for Reshma's Beauty Tip of the Week. The holiday season is here, and whether you're shopping for your loved one or attending too many parties, the stress of it can take a toll on your skin. But don't worry, we have prepared a holiday gift set for you and your loved ones. Ringa Ringa Roses used to be my favorite nursery rhyme when I was a kid, and I also always loved roses. So I combined my two loves, and now I present to you Reshma Beauty's Ravishing Rose Set. So our Ravishing Rose Gift Set contains a rose face wash, rose scrub, and a rose cream. The rose face wash will help you in taking off all the dirt and impurities and makeup residue, and will set a clean base to start your routine, whether in the day or right before going to sleep. So after cleansing, the next thing you need to do is exfoliate. The rose scrub helps in removing all the dead skin cells and reveals glowing and healthy looking skin. And then be generous with lathering the rose cream, which will help keep your face glowing, hydrated, and well moisturized, especially in these dry winter months. And of course, all our products smell divine. And here's another gift set for you or your loved ones, the Golden Turmeric Gift Set, because of the spice that's golden for you. Turmeric, great for you inside and out. And this gift set also includes turmeric face wash, a turmeric scrub, and a turmeric lotion. So let's start with the turmeric face wash, especially if you have red skin patches or rosacea, any kind of rashes, eczema. Turmeric is a wonderful healer, and overall it will brighten your skin as it helps cleanse oil, dirt, and impurities within to reveal radiant skin. And next, I am a big proponent of exfoliating, but if you have irritated skin, you have to make sure that it's gentle. So our turmeric scrub is a gentle scrub on your face and it doesn't irritate. Exfoliating with a face scrub will help you unclog your pores and leave you with naturally glowing skin. And moisturize, hydrate, and repeat. That's what our skin needs, especially in these winter months. So make sure you use our turmeric lotion that will keep your skin glowing, hydrated, and well moisturized. So make sure you log on to reshmabeauty.com. So I hope you enjoyed our tips and tricks about rose and turmeric, two of my favorites. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. We love to hear from you, so if you have any comments, please comment right here.